This year we made it to Barcelona and loved our time there. If you're going to, here are some of the things we recommend. Getting around Barcelona. A list of the top things you must see. A few practical tips for your trip to Barcelona. The best and most convenient way to move around Barcelona is by public transportation. The El Prat airport is connected by metro to the city center, and the trains come every 7 minutes during the week and every 15-20 minutes on the weekends. It's simple, cheap, and considering the traffic in this big city, public transportation is also the quickest way to get around Barcelona. For our time in this amazing city, we use the Hola Barcelona travel card. You can buy a card valid for 2, 3, 4 or 5 days. This travel card allows you to make an unlimited amount of trips using the metro, bus, urban railway, tram and regional railway. You can buy it online and pick up the physical card at the Hola Barcelona machines in any metro station, including the airport. Take good care of it because you'll need to validate this pass every time you use public transportation. If you decide not to get this card, you can always buy single tickets from the bus driver or ticket machines at the bus stops or at the metro station. Taxi, Uber, Bolt, Free Now and Cabify are also good options to get around Barcelona. They are a bit more expensive than public transportation, but might be a more comfortable alternative after a long day of intensive sightseeing. Antoni Gaudi's in-progress masterpiece is unique, almost odd, and truly fascinating. This interesting cathedral has been under construction for 140 years and it won't be completed until 2026. La Sagrada Familia is one of the most important attractions in Barcelona, so you can expect large crowds and tickets to be sold out. To avoid queuing, get your tickets in advance online. Park Guell is not so much a park, but rather a 30 acres work of art. Unique constructions, interesting pieces of art, amazing plants and numerous spots where you can admire a panoramic view of Barcelona. It's a stunning place, so make sure you save a few hours for this gorgeous attraction. La Rambla is the famous promenade in Barcelona that connects Plaça de Catalunya with the Christopher Columbus monument at Port Vell. The street is full of kiosks, souvenir and flower shops, restaurants and terraces. On one of the days in Barcelona, we chose to have breakfast at La Boqueria. It was an amazing experience. They have countless delicious things you can try, and the market is so colorful and full of life that it's really a feast for your eyes. And for your stomach too, because there are so many goodies and snacks to try out. The historic center of Barcelona is a beautiful medieval labyrinth with small tight streets that open out into the most gorgeous squares. Enjoy the beautiful architecture, have a glass of wine in one of the numerous bodegas, and enjoy a delicious meal in one of the many beautiful restaurants in the Gothic quarter. Barcelona has 60 miles of coastline with several beaches, Barceloneta being the most famous one. All of them are stunning. There are plenty of restaurants and terraces on the beach where you can eat some delicious tapas and paellas and drink a glass of cold cava. Thousands of people gather around the Magic Fountain to see the light and color shows. Don't miss it! Take the cable car to Montjuïc Castle and enjoy the best views of Barcelona. It's a lovely castle with a nice interior yard where you can sit and enjoy a drink and a snack. There's also a nice park up there from where you can see the whole city of Barcelona. Casa Milà and Casa Batlló are two of Gaudi's masterpieces. They are both on Passeig de Gràcia Avenue, one of the most important shopping and business streets in Barcelona. Check them both out. Parc de la Ciutadella is the greenest oasis in Barcelona. In this park you can relax, take a long walk, row a boat on the lake or go for a picnic. Also, on its grounds you can see and visit the Barcelona Zoo and the Catalan Parliament. At the entrance to this beautiful park you will be welcomed by the beautiful Arco de Triunfo, a symbol of beautiful Barcelona. FC Barcelona has its own quarter around Camp Nou. You can visit the stadium, the museum, and a very cool fan store where you can buy souvenirs for your sports-loving friends. Buy the tickets online. Firstly, because in most cases they're cheaper. Secondly, the tickets for the most popular Barcelona attractions sell out up to 2 or 3 weeks in advance. And last but not least, you can buy skip-the-line tickets to avoid queuing for hours. Many museums are free on Sundays. That means you can save a lot of money by visiting them for free, but that also means that you should expect larger crowds on Sundays. How much do we tip in Barcelona? Tipping in Barcelona is not mandatory, so it isn't expected. When riding a taxi, you can just round up the amount. At restaurants, people usually leave 10% of the check or round up the amount if they pay in cash. You can't add your tip to the check, meaning you can only pay for it in cash. Avoid political debates. If you make friends with locals, stay away from discussions about local politics. The issue is sensitive and complicated and you might offend someone. Watch your pockets! Barcelona is full of pickpockets. They're everywhere and they're very sneaky. Keep your valuables safe, don't carry a lot of cash with you. Always watch your purse or backpack and leave your passports at a hotel if you can. You really don't want to have your documents stolen. At the restaurant, you will have to ask for the check. They won't bring it unless you tell them to. In the bus station, when the bus approaches, wave. They don't always stop unless signaled. And if you want to get off the bus, you will have to press the stop button. And while we're on this subject, in Barcelona you enter the bus through the front door and exit it through the back. We loved Barcelona and we can't wait to go back. If you enjoyed our video, hit like and subscribe and check our other videos as well. See you soon!